who could lie so nice. All the nights I stayed up waiting on your call. Now I know I was just a shadow on your wall. She wears the smile I used to wear, while I drown in tears and midnight air. Right before my eyes, you tore the world apart like a fire in the rain. You burned my fragile heart. I trusted your words, believed every line. Now I'm drinking down memory with a glass of cheap wine. Don't tell me it's not what it seems. I saw the truth shatter all my dreams. You danced with her like I was never there. And baby, that's a pain too cruel to bear. Right before my eyes, you made love a lie, left me with nothing but a long goodbye. But I'll rise from the ashes, though I'm torn in two. 'Cause even broken hearts learn what's true. And I won't ever love the way I loved you. Mama was just a child, scared and all alone, carried me through fire, no place to call home. They said I came from shadows, no man to claim my face, just a girl with questions, lost in time and space. Who's my name? Who do I belong to? Mirror shows a stranger I never knew, but I got this voice, it's loud and true, even if the world forgets me too. Who's my name? Maybe it's just me, and that's enough to be free. They whispered in the alleys, called me a mistake, but Mama held me close with every move she'd make. No cradle of comfort, no father's eyes to see, but I learned to sing the hurt right out of me. Who's my name? Who do I belong to? Mirror shows a stranger I never knew, but I got this voice, it's loud and true, even if the world forgets me too. Who's my name? Maybe it's just me, and that's enough to be free. No silver spoon, no family tree, but pain can be a melody. Every broken piece became my key to a song that set me free. Who's my name? I carved it in sound, a crown of notes when no one's around. I don't need blood to make me strong. I've been singing my name all along. Who's my name? I finally see it's the soul that sings, and that soul is me. I poured your lies in a crystal glass, sipped every word, thought the pain would pass, but the burn in my chest ain't from no drink. It's the way you left me with too much time. Now it's whiskey and regret. Every night I cry. You said forever, then told goodbye. I'll reach for the bottle just to forget, but all I find is whiskey and regret. The jukebox plays our favorite tune, but the dance floor's empty, just me and the moon. Your ghost still spins me round and round, but I keep falling and you're not around. It's whiskey and regret, baby, through and through. I gave you the best, now I drink for two. Your love was a bet I can't forget. Left me with nothing but a whiskey and regret. They say time can heal a wound, but the scar sings like a southern tune. I wear your memory like cheap perfume, still lingers in every lonely room. It's whiskey and regret, and I ain't done crying. Keep telling myself I'm done trying, but the glass gets full, the pain don't quit. I'm drowning slow in whiskey and regret. Woke up with tears on my pillow. Dreams keep leaving me just like the man. The rent is due and the cupboard's dry, but I lift my hands and I still testify. Ain't no diamonds hanging round my neck, just broken years and unpaid debts. But I got a song the devil can't steal, a faith so strong it bends but won't kneel. 'Cause I still got heaven in my soul, even when this world takes its toll. Through the heartache, through the fight, I still shine with holy light. You can break my body, but not my hope. I still got heaven in my soul. They laughed when I prayed with dirty hands, but grace don't care where you stand. From the alleyways to the church front pew, I found strength the world never knew. 'Cause I still got heaven in my soul, even when I walk bare, foot on cold. Through the sorrow, through the fire, I still sing with angels choir. You can change my story, love and mercy, mercy, make me whole, make me whole. Through the darkness, through the night, I still burn with sacred light. You can wound my spirit, spirit, shake my roll, but I still got heaven. Yes, I still got heaven. Ain't nothing gonna steal my life. I still got heaven in my soul. I once fell into the darkest night. Shadows bound me, lost the light. Chains of sorrow held me tight, but love kept calling me back to life. I'm rising from the pain, fire in my chest. My voice won't fade, I'll give it my best. Though the world once turned away, now I sing strong, I found my way. Rising from the pain, I'm alive again. Lonely roads and bitter tears, but music spoke and calmed my fears. Every note became my guide, washing the dark, lighting inside. I'm rising from the pain, fire in my chest. My voice won't Though the world once turned away, now I sing strong. I found my way, rising from the pain. I'm alive again. No chain could hold what's in my soul. No night too deep I can't control. At the edge of hurt I found my flame, and now I rise, no longer the same. Rising from the pain, fire in my chest. My heart's a song, no longer suppressed. You may fall, but don't let go. There's a light in you, the world should know. Rising from the pain, I'm not alone anymore. You left your coat, you left your key, but baby, you left your ghost inside of me. I burned the letters throughout your name, but every song still sounds the same. I told myself I'd let you go, but my heart just don't wanna know. I can't unlove you, no matter how I try. You're the tear that lingers in my eye. You're the whisper in a silent room, the perfume in a lover's tomb. I can't unlove you, though you said goodbye. I walk these streets in high-heeled shame. Every step just calls your name. I wear a smile, I play the part, but you still got the keys to my heart. I tried to dream you off my mind, but baby, your memory ages like wine. I can't unlove you, no matter how I try. You're the song that won't ever die. You're the ache I can't outgrow, the fire beneath the coldest snow. I can't unlove you, though I don't know why. many times before. Each time I opened up, they walked right out the door. But tonight I see a light in your eyes. Don't you dare be just another goodbye. Love, don't let me down again. Don't leave me crying in the cold night wind. I've been strong for far too long, but even the strongest hearts can break when love goes wrong. I've danced alone through midnight rain, carried my pride, carried my pain. But your touch feels like a second chance, like maybe this time I still believe in romance. Love, don't let me down again. Don't fade away like smoke in the wind. I've paid my dues in tears and time. Now I'm begging love to finally be mine. I've sung my blues, I've walked that road. Oh, every scar like a heavy coat. But if you're real, if you'll stay true, I'll give my soul, I'll give it all to you. Father, don't let me down again. I've waited too long for this moment to end. Hold me close, don't let me fall. 'Cause love, I need you most of all. I was lonely, just passing time, walking through shadows, nowhere to like a holy flame. Now I'll never, no, I'll never be the same. You spoke my name like a gospel hymn. Pulled me in close, skin to skin. Every heartbeat sang the blues. I was lost, but now I'm found in you. I fell for you at midnight, baby. When the stars aligned and my soul went crazy, you lit the fire, you called my name, and I'll never, no, I'll never be the same. Oh, I was tired of dreaming till you gave my life real meaning. Now your love's my melody, singing sweet through every memory. I fell for you at midnight, darling, like a sinner saved, no use in stalling. You healed the hurt, you soothed the pain. Now I'll never, no, I'll never be the same. I was born on the wrong side of a broken track. Mama cried while daddy never came back. Learn to stand before I learned to crawl. This world don't give you nothing at all. Work 2 jobs just to buy some bread, while the rich folks sleep in feather beds. Rain on my roof, cold in my bones, but I built my heart out of stone. But it ain't gonna break me, no, it won't. Tried to bend me, baby, but I don't. I've been knocked down, I've been bruised, but I got nothing left to lose. You can't break a woman who's already been through hell. I've seen lovers lie and dreams turn to dust. Been betrayed by folks I used to trust. But every scar I wear like a crown. I may fall, but I don't stay down. No, it ain't gonna break me. Don't you try. I was born with fire behind these eyes. I've been hungry, I've been cold, but my spirit can't be sold. You can't break a I'm stronger than the storm. I've been through the fire, and I'm still warm. Yeah, I'm still warm. I'm still here. There's a good blowing, and I'm still wide awake. My heart's been talking, and it's starting to break. Your memory's a shadow that won't leave the room. You're gone, but the silence still echoes your tune. I'm bleeding in blue. Darling, can't you see? This pain is a river, and it's drowning me. I gave you my soul, but you walked right through. Stuck in the night, just bleeding in blue. I lit a candle where your picture once lay, but flames can't burn what won't go away. Wear your name like a scar on my skin, a story of love that won't ever end. I'm bleeding in blue, baby, deep and slow, like a record stuck on a song. I begged for your love, I begged it true. Now I'm left with the hurt, just bleeding in blue. Maybe one day I'll rise again, find a new song, find a new man. But tonight the blues is all I hold, and it's colder than your goodbye ever told.